Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing an all shade of pink set. Now I did use 4 different shades of pink acrylic to achieve this look. To start off, I've already prepped and primed my nails and I did apply a tip, but they were curved and I'm not exactly a fan of curved tip, but I did cut them down to a reasonable length and I didn't exactly have a design in mind, but I was just winging it to see what I would come up with. Now I'm starting off with my thumb and I decide to incorporate all 4 shades of pink or all 4 shades in, and then I'm just marbling a bit and then I will cap with clear pink, sorry, and then I did repeat the same thing on my index finger but only in a different way. For this application, I'm using my size 12 brush, but you can use any brush size that you think is very comfortable for you. And then when I'm satisfied with the marbling, I will cap in clear pink to seal in my design. So there are different ways to marble, but if you're going to marble the way that I'm doing, you have to take beads that are very wet. If not, when you're about to apply the next bead, it would set and you won't be able to swirl it around. For my middle finger, I was initially going to marble again using the glitter pink and clear, but it wasn't exactly showing as much contrast, sorry, as I would have liked. So I switched to ombreing instead. So I just applied more glitter and then created the and then ran it through from where my nail meets down to the free edge, and then I applied clear pink to seal that all in. Okay, so on this nail, I decided to do like a swirl of like the light, more pastel pink, and then I'm just going to frame it all with some glitter pink as well, and then encapsulate with clear pink. Okay, so everything I've been doing was pretty much explanatory and was going very well actually. However, I was running out of monomer. So on my pinky, I had to switch over from my from my monomer which was already done to like my acetone slash monomer mix that I used for my previous 3D art. It's on my Instagram page. But yeah, so the problem with that was that the beads were setting way quicker than I would have liked, and I wasn't able to ombre. So what I did was I eventually covered the entire nail with the more darker pink, and then I just hoped that when I would file it would sort of ombre, which it eventually did work, luckily for me. I did go off camera to file, and this is what my nails look like after they've been filed and buffered. And I'm just wiping it off with acetone so that I can get an even smoother surface. And now I'm just going to blink these nails out. I'm just showing you a clip of me struggling to bling out my nails. Blinging nails are not my forte, to be fair. Rhinestones are not exactly my thing, but this is what they looked like. It turned out really, really great. I was happy with it, and I'm just arranging the stones before I cure so that they are not, crooked. This set turned out to be really, really cute. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please leave a comment down below, and I hope you're all safe where you're at, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.